dead. And my door won't shut. Alright, this is interesting. Come here. So, as you can see, my car is completely covered in snow, right? Well, with the Corvettes, they have the automatic windows. And my car right now thinks the door is closed. So I go to open the door. So this is interesting. Never had this problem happen. I got the door closed. And now it won't even open. Alright, let's just get the battery charger hooked up to it and see if we can't get something to happen. The door will open. Oh, perfect, like a dream. Yep, I might have to jump it off. Snow sucks. Look at all this. Look at all that snow in there. How the hell am I supposed to get that out? I just gotta let it dry, I guess. Alright, well, I guess we will jump this bad boy off and see if we can get it started then. Alright, that actually worked a lot better than I thought it was going to with the leaf blower, you know. Never tried that before. Alright, we'll back it up, get the jumper cables hooked up. We should be finally ready to start this thing up. Let's hope. "30 minutes later, we're finally ready for the cold start. More snow! loud. Alright. Finally got her started. BMW Z4, I hate you, but you finally came in clutch yet again. I swear I need to get a new battery or something. This is the second time I haven't cranked it in a day, and I had to end up jumping it off.